Hello everyone. Before we get started, let's take a moment to look at what you'll learn. By the end of this video, you should be able to define conceptual diagram, understand their purpose in spatial workflows, and construct a basic diagram for a spatial problem. Let's get started. A conceptual diagram in spatial analysis is like a visual plan. It shows how the data we need, the spatial tools we apply, and the result are connected to solve a spatial problem. It is the thinking before doing part of GIS analysis. In conceptual diagram, you will often see different shapes and colors. Data layers, tools, and output are represented with distinct symbol along with an arrow to help you follow the analysis logic clearly. Let's look at this example of real-world situation. Let's say that you have been asked to find out which amenity point are located within 500 meters of a train station. Now, let's construct the conceptual diagram for previous example. Firstly, start with the input data, which are train station polygon and amenity building point. Secondly, decide on the spatial tools. The first tool is buffer within 500 meters of the train station. Connect the arrow from train station to buffer tool. Second tool is intersect. Connect the arrow from buffer and amenity point with the intersect tool. This is because the buffer tool will help to locate train station within 500 meters, while the intersect tool identify which amenity building fall within the buffered area. Finally, connect the arrow from intersect to the output. This indicates that we finally get our final output, a layer showing only the amenity building located within 500 meters from the train station. Once the diagram is ready, you can easily translate from the diagram into a GIS workflow. Let's try it. To recap, the conceptual diagram are essential to plan for the analysis. It shows how data, tools, and output are connected to each other. It guides our thinking before we begin with the real analysis. Thanks for watching!